You say you want freedom, more money, a better life, your own business, financial independence, the ability to wake up and live life on your terms. But every day, you choose comfort instead. The scary part? You can see the life you want. You imagine it constantly. You dream about it, plan for it, talk about it. But when it's time to do the work, you freeze. Most people think they're lazy. They're wrong. Laziness isn't the disease, it's the symptom. The real problem is dopamine. Your brain is being trained to choose easy rewards. Scroll, swipe, watch, repeat. Every notification gives you a tiny reward. And eventually, real work starts feeling painful. Building a business? Hard. Learning a skill? Hard. Investing consistently? Hard. Watching another video? Easy. Guess which one your brain chooses? And then something dangerous happens. You start confusing movement with progress. You consume content about success. You watch entrepreneurs, listen to podcasts, read books, save ideas, and it feels productive. But your life never changes. 1 month becomes 6. 6 months becomes 3 years. And suddenly you're wondering why everyone else seems ahead. Listen carefully. The people getting ahead aren't smarter than you. They aren't luckier than you. They simply became comfortable being uncomfortable. They learned a secret. Freedom is purchased with discomfort. Every skill, every business, every investment, every breakthrough starts with doing something you don't feel like doing. Every day you wake up, you're making one decision: comfort or growth. Comfort feels good today, but expensive tomorrow. Growth feels painful today, but pays you forever. Don't try to change your life tonight. That's how most people fail. Start with 15 minutes, one page, one workout, one sales call, one application, one action. Because success isn't built in giant moments. It's built in tiny promises you keep to yourself. The person you want to become already exists. They're waiting on the other side of discomfort. Not next year, not next month, not when motivation arrives. Right now. You're not lazy. You're simply trained to choose comfort. The good news? What was trained can be retrained. One choice, one action, one day at a time. Stop waiting for motivation. Start building momentum, because the future you want is hiding behind the discomfort you're avoiding. I'm Lester Terry, and this is Stackr. Stack today, freedom tomorrow.